Have you ever crushed your 3D printer while trying to complete long print jobs? Are you struggling to improve the accuracy of your desktop CNC? Did you find that your best idea is difficult to achieve easily? To solve these problems, we have been developing our open-source AnanasStepper project on Hackaday over past 4 years. Now, it's time to launch the latest version to the world on Kickstarter. We are happy to introduce AnanasStepper 3.0, an open-source, modularized, multifunctional, high-precision, closed-loop motor. AnanasStepper is closed-looper. AnanasStepper uses a high-precision 15-bit TLE 5012B magnetic encoder to monitor the movement of the motor in real time. At the same time, the powerful ARM MCU will simultaneously process motion information. In this way, any abnormal movement will be detected in real time, and motion errors will be corrected instantly. The entire process perfectly realizes the closed-loop control of the motor. AnanasStepper is high precision. AnanasStepper utilizes a TLB 5012B magnetic encoder, which is able to monitor motor movement abnormalities of 0.01 degrees and compensate in real time. The built-in motor drive up to 1/256 subdivision ensures the high-precision movement of AnanasStepper. AnanasStepper is modularized. AnanasStepper can be easily and quickly installed to replace your existing stepper motor. With AnanasStepper, you can improve the performance of your existing 3D printer to achieve faster printing speed and high precision quality, and upgrade your desktop CNC with higher accuracy for better results instantly. AnanasStepper is multifunctional. AnanasStepper comes with a variety of interfaces. With a micro USB interface, you can control the AnanasStepper by computer or Raspberry Pi. With step and direction pulse interface, you can directly replace the stepper motor on your 3D printer and desktop CNC. You can even put hundreds of AnanasStepper motors in series using an RS485 bus or CAN bus to realize your creative ideas. Want to create a robot arm or a cocktail machine? With AnanasStepper, your creativity can be fully explored. AnanasStepper is open source. AnanasStepper is developed using Python and C++ programming languages. We are enthusiastic supporters of the open source community, so we will always keep the source code open to all users. Everyone is free to develop AnanasStepper. AnanasStepper is a product we've been developing intensively for 4 years. Now, it is time to bring the fruits of our efforts to the community, and we need your support.